Alright. Don't mind the sty in my eye. Pretty fucking gross. But I figured I'd ask you motherfuckers, since everybody has an opinion. I changed out this fuel pump. Ran good. Idled, started, everything. Haven't started in a long time. Probably like 2 months. Changed the battery out. Checked out this guy. I previously had fuel in it. If you take this off, this is how you check if your fuel rails are full. If you do not know, you just unscrew like a cap and it's like a tire valve. You push that, if air comes out, you probably got air in the system and you probably got something going on with these airlines. But I don't. Well, I didn't. So now I'm asking for the internet's help here, because now I have no fuel in here. And I replaced fuel pump relay, check. Battery, check. So I have voltage. Cranks over a little bit, sounds super fucking rough. My fuel pump fuse, I think, is where I'm having an issue. This is the fuel pump fuse right here. So if I pull the fuel pump fuse, it's a brand new fuse, right? If I probe the actual pieces that connect to this, as soon as I click to the on position, it shows I have like 10-11 volts going to these prongs. But then when I put this in and I probe it and do the same exact thing, even though it's a brand new fuse and I swapped the fuse 10 times with other fuses, I probe it and I don't get anything going to this fuse. Now, I did replace the relay and I'm thinking that it could be the relay. However, did the fuel pump, the relay, and cleaned up vacuum lines, saw that I had fuel in the check valve, or whatever valve you want to fucking call it, I don't give a fuck what the name is. What? It still won't start. And I'm guessing it's because of that. I do not know that problem. Like, I'm guessing it's the fucking relay over there, but I really don't want to buy another relay. If anybody knows, let me know, because I have no idea. Oh, I also got the Z06 wheels on here. Still towed in because I can't fucking move the thing. And it's not painted yet. But that's the conundrum. And when you turn it over, it cranks. But it cranks seriously hard. Like, really hard. So it could be a weak starter as well. But because there's no fuel in there, I'm guessing it's because of this not sending the signal back to there. Probably be because of that. But figured I'd ask. It's been a long ass day. Of obviously to it. I've been fucking cranking it down and then fucking charging it back up with the battery and cranking it down, and not a good day. Oh, that was a rock in my foot. I'm not wearing shoes, but yeah, many of you internet geniuses know what the fuck is going on and why I can probe something and get all the voltage I need, and then when I put a fuse in it, I probe it again and I get no voltage. Let me know.